Good morning to all. Welcome back to this YouTube video class. Today I am going to teach class 1, English 1, chapter number 9, The Two Painters. Before starting this chapter, let us learn about some words with their meaning given in this chapter. Lifelike. It means exactly like a real person or thing. Packed. It means to picked act with big. Boast. It means to speak proudly about oneself. Invited. To ask someone to come over. Seem, it means look like. Skill, it means talent or ability. Now coming to this chapter, The Two Painters. Children, let me ask you this simple question. Do you know how to paint pictures? If your answer is yes, then what type of pictures do you like to paint? Have you ever drawn scene from nature or the people and things that you see around yourself? For example, like sun, moon, stars, hills, birds, trees, etc. Children, here painter means a person who can paint. Some words have the same meaning, such as artist and painter, lifelike and real. These words are different but meanings are same. In this story, the two painters will get two characters. One is Ducasis. He is a famous painter. Another characters will get Paracelsus. He is also a painter. So let us now begin the story. Long time ago, there lived a famous painter named Ducasis. The pictures he painted were so lifelike that they looked real. Once he painted a picture of some fruit. It looked so real that birds flew down and pecked at the painting. This made Ducasis feel very proud. He said that he is the only man in this world who can paint a picture through to life. Another painter named Paracelsus heard Ducasis boast. He said to himself, "Let me see what I can do." Then he painted a picture and invited Ducasis to come and see it. Ducasis looked at the painting, which seemed to be covered by a curtain. He said to Paracelsus, "Draw the curtain aside and show him the picture." Paracelsus laughed and answered, "The curtain is the picture." Now Ducasis felt ashamed and agreed that he should not boast anymore. He said to Paracelsus, "I fooled only the birds, but you have fooled me as a painter." After some time, Paracelsus painted another wonderful picture. It was that of a girl carrying a red ripe cherries. When he hung the painting on the wall, some birds flew down and tried to take the cherries away. Ducasis said sadly, I am losing my skill. If the girl were painted as well as the cherries, the birds would not been afraid to come near her. So this is the end of the story, and the moral of this story is that we should not be proud of our skill or talent that God has given to us. Okay? Now children, we will read and learn some words, some more words that is given in your chapter with their meanings. Famous means known by many people. Real means life, already you got in your chapter. Fooled means to trick or deceive. Afraid means to fear.
Lose
Means deprive of something. Children, in this chapter I have said these words curtain. Curtain is a noun. Curtain means a piece of material suspended at the top to form a screen, typically movable, sideways along a rail and found as one of a pair at a window. Hope you have understood this chapter well. We will meet soon again. Thank you.